Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you about this one day detox that I'm doing. It's nothing fancy, it's just something very simple. I've used 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I've added 1 liter of water to that. And this is a very simple but a very powerful detox that you can do for your body. So basically, apple cider vinegar promotes digestive health. It has good pre and probiotics. The second thing about apple cider vinegar is it enhances fat burning in your body. So it is amazing to burn that stubborn fat. And adding turmeric to this makes sure that it is antiseptic and it helps you with the cleanse. It is amazing on your gut, on your digestive system. So that is why the turmeric. And this mixture or this detox combination helps you deal with bloating. It helps you if you're dehydrated. It helps you if you're feeling acidic, because the whole combination is alkaline in its nature. So if you are looking for a one day detox, I think this is one thing that you should definitely try. It's nothing hard and fast. And I have put up a video about doing apple cider vinegar as a morning drink. I'm sure you must have seen it, but if you haven't, you can tune into my YouTube channel and watch it. And also there's something I have to show you what I'm having along with this, because it's a snacking time. Check this out. So this is just coconut and avocado, and it's super yummy. So if you're looking for a snacking option, this is one thing that you should try. Look at this. So I hope you like this detox tip, and if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section below. And always remember, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed.